Hello guys, welcome back to Chimino's kitchen. Welcome. I want to show you guys how I prepared this lovely and delicious gummy bears. Jerry gum, gummy bears, whichever one you're calling it. Yeah, I just want to show you guys, see how starchy and lovely the Jerry gum is. So this video I will show you guys the full video on how I prepared the gummy bears. Look at it. So this is the orange one. I prepared the orange one and also the Hello guys. We want to make gummy bears, guys. What are you calling it? Jerry gum, gummy bear, whichever one. So yeah, so these are the ingredients we'll be using. I don't want to make much, just use this orange. You just get the orange and squeeze out the juice from the orange. You just squeeze the juice out in the orange. Yeah. You just want to squeeze the juice out from the orange. So this is the orange juice, this is the juice, so we'll sieve it out anyway, so we keep that aside. This is beetroot. It's already washed, so I just want to peel it out. I don't want to. If you are making much, I'm not making much, I'm just making a little, so I'll be using half. I don't have more, I don't want to make much, so I'll be using half beetroot. Just peel it off because we'll blend it in our blender. So look at it. I'll put it in my blender. You can use any fruit of your choice, any fruit you want. Make apple, if you want to make sour pashki, right? You can use soured apple, soured grapes, and so on and so forth. But I'll be using these few fruits. You can use more if you want, it's your choice. Sour what?
Sour sugar.
Sour sugar. That's sour sugar. After making it, you can add sugar to it.
Sour sugar to make the sour patch kids.
Yeah. Be using this nut. We just want to cut it off and take the seed out. We'll be blending everything together. Okay, so you can add apple if you want. You can add whatsoever fruit you want. It's optional, but I just want to use these few. So when it's done, I just need to let's just blend it. We'll add some water for smooth blend. For smooth blending, we'll add water. After blending, so you will pour it in my sieve. I want to sieve it out, to sieve the chaff out. So
yes, it's going to like a baby cupcake.
Everything is everything is perfect. You sieve it out, so you sieve the chaff out, so that you can leave only the juice. You leave only the juice.
The way to a happy than you.
You sieve it out, so when you are done, if you can still keep the chaff, use it for something else anyway. But
what's the sound?
yeah, but we just need only the juice. Yeah.
Now fixing.
Make sure you sieve out all the juice out. So when you're done, this is it. So I want to add our orange, you know.
Yeah, you orange big cupcake.
We have orange. We'll sieve the orange too. You sieve the oranges too.
I
You don't want to be eating a
juice.
gummy that has
Big
a
cupcake.
this inside. So
What are you doing?
when you're done, you transfer it to your pot.
It's here.
Yeah. Pause. So after some time, you leave it to boil for. You just allow it to boil. Once it boils, you off it. You don't allow it to overboil. You like just wait for it to boil. So guys, look at it. Once it's already boiled, all you need to do is just to off it. You just to off. Why we just allow it to boil is to activate all the these ingredients, to add this gelatin. Look at it. Gelatin. This gelatin, you can get it with people that are selling selling cake stuff. Cake condiments, you get it from them. Is gelatin. This gelatin is a thickener. They use it for cake also, but we use it as a thickener for this. At this quantity, we'll be adding 1 pack of gelatin. We'll be adding 1 pack of gelatin. It's a thickener, so we'll stir it together. Yeah, we just need to activate the gelatin. That is why we allow it to boil. So look at it, guys. So then you get a syringe. So after you allow it to cool for some minutes, you get a syringe, you take it. You continue to do it like this, fill it up. You continue like this. So then you just take some princess. You're disturbing me. You continue like this until everything is filled.
Yes.
Did I ask you?
Mom.
So guys, when it's like this, you just keep it you just set it aside to cool. If you need it sharp, as fast as you want, you can put it in the fridge for like about 5-10 minutes to cool. So let's just wait for like few minutes, then we'll come back. Why I put dates is just for a test, for a sweetener. So guys, why I put dates inside that nut is for sweetener. And also why I put beetroot is for color. So so guys, our jelly is ready, guys. So after some minutes it's out. You can keep it as long as you want. And I like our jellies so soft. But if you don't like yours soft, you can add maybe 2 packs of gelatin or more. You know, you can add as many as you want, so many gelatin as you want. Yeah. So that will give you more thicker. Yeah, but because of my kids, my small baby, I don't want it so hard for her. So, but if you want it more hard than this, you can add more gelatin. So guys, curry gum is ready. I like my stuff soft because of my kids, but if you don't want it soft like this, you can add more gelatin to give you a nice hard. Yeah, look at it. Guys, I want to get another flavor, another color. So this one is the remaining orange juice. I want to get another color. So this is orange juice. I added the gelatin also. I just want it to boil for like few minutes so that I can dissolve the gelatin. I want to get 2 colors. So yeah, it's boiled now, so I'll just off the heat and allow it to cook for like 1 minute before I put it in my molder. So guys, see it here. This is the orange one. So we'll set it aside to cool for some minutes. So it's either you put it in your refrigerator or you just put it in an air place to cool for like 20 to 30 minutes. Then we'll come back. Stay tuned. So guys, see, it's ready.
Jelly gum is ready.
Yeah, guys, see.
She's so beautiful.
Hey, princess.
Mommy, give me
Oh, no, say hello. So,
Mama, wait.
Give me gum.
I'll give you wait.
oh, no, not take here. So, we're going to be the jelly gum.
It's from my dad.
So, guys. Can you guys see?
Gummy, gummy. And
Lovely. Can you wait?
I want to eat.
Wait.
See, guys.
Wait.
No, it's here. No, it's here.
After removing it, guys, you just place it.
No, wait.
My children will not allow me. You just place it and allow it to stay for like 24 hours.
Just remove. Don't eat it now.
Wait, you should stop. I'm making video.
Okay.
Can't you remove your hand?
I don't want to.
You wait for her.
Why
Can't
you
you leave her? Let her eat. It's okay. Let her eat. You place it in airtight place too for like 24 hours. These children will not allow me. Wait now.
Where's no eat?
The Bible wake up time.
You just allow it to.
We're not making cocoa. We're making.
Shoo! Don't talk again.
I really want.
So guys, you can see that you just allow it to stay for like 24 hours to be more stronger. Look at this, it's so yum.
It looks so good. Can we eat? Can we eat?
Yeah, eat. So yummy. See you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video.
Bye.